Sarah looked inside the fridge and realized they were out of milk. "We need to go to the supermarket," she said to her brother Alex. "Okay," Alex replied. "Do you need anything else?" "Yes, please check if we need bread and eggs too," Sarah said. They walked to the supermarket together. It was quite busy, but they didn't have to wait in line for long. At the checkout, Sarah realized she didn't have enough money in her wallet. "Do you have any money, Alex?" she asked. Alex checked his pockets. "Yes, I have some," he said. He paid for the groceries, and they walked back home. "Thanks for helping me out, Alex," Sarah said. "No problem," Alex replied. "We can make pancakes for breakfast tomorrow." "Oh no, we're out of milk. We need to go to the supermarket before breakfast."
Maybe we need to make a grocery list. Anything else we're running low on?
"We might be out of orange too."
Okay, milk, bread, eggs, and orange juice. Is that everything?
"That should be everything. Ready to hit the supermarket?"
Absolutely. Let's make a list so we don't forget anything.